everyone, I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now look at this one and what is said in this question. A well insulated container has a mixture of ice and water at 0 degree. Okay, so we have a container. Let us say this is the container and it has mw amount of water, mass of water, and m ice amount of ice. Okay, so mw mi ही रहने दो, ये ज़्यादा बड़ा नाम हो गया है ना, छोटा नाम handy, right? The mixture is supplied heat at a constant rate of 420 watt by switching on an electric heater at time t equal to 0. So what you did, you started supplying it with energy, and that energy rate getting supplied is 420 joule per second. Okay. Now temperature of the mixture is getting recorded, and it was recorded at time 150 second, 273 second, 378 second, and the reading were 0 degree at 150 सेकेंड. सो देखो 150 सेकेंड पे अगर तुम्हारी रीडिंग 0 डिग्री आई है, initially this mixture was at 0 degree and after 150 second also it is at 0 degree. It means at 150 second either all ice has melted and still the temperature is 0 degree, or maybe some of the ice is still left and temperature of the mixture is 0 degree. So at actually time 150 second we don't have some gross information like how much ice is left, how much water is left. We cannot say that also because we are not supplied with the mass of water and ice. ठीक है, सो 150 सेकेंड में मुझे बस इतना पता है कि मिक्सचर का टेम्परेचर अभी भी 0 डिग्री है. इसका सिंपल मतलब ये है कि आइदर सारा आइस मेल्ट कर चुका है, बट हो भी सकता है कि कुछ आइस अभी भी बचा हुआ है एंड टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री. सो दोनों ही केस में टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री हो सकता है. नाउ एट 10 डिग्री आई मीन एट 273 second temperature is 10 degree. So we can say that starting from time t equal to 0 to time t equal to 273 second, what has happened? All ice has melted and then mass of water plus mass of ice melted, which is at 0 degree, has risen to the temperature of 10 degree. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो आई मीन एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 378 सेकेंड. सो t इक्वल टू 0 से t इक्वल टू 378 सेकेंड तक क्या हुआ है? टेम्परेचर 20 डिग्री हो चुका है. सो डेफिनेटली आइस हैज मेल्टेड कंप्लीटली एंड mass of water and mass of ice together, which is no longer ice, rather mass of water you can say, which is equal to mw plus mi, has risen to the temperature of how much? That is 20 degree. Then, and we have to talk about what we have to calculate. We have to calculate mass of water. Then how we can do that? देखो t equal to 0 से t equal to 150 सेकेंड के लिए gross I mean we cannot write equation, लेकिन t equal to 0 से 273, 0 से 378 we can write. जैसे देखो कैसे, अगर आप बात करो t equal to 0 से t equal to 273 सेकेंड तक, तो देखो क्या हुआ है. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड, देयर वाज एम आई अमाउंट ऑफ आइस, एम डब्ल्यू अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. सो एम आई अमाउंट ऑफ ice has melted. So how much energy it must have taken? Mi into latent heat of fusion, right? Which is equal to 336 joule here per kg per degree centigrade. Sorry, this joule per gram, not degree centigrade, क्योंकि I mean at the time when state changes basically, सॉलिड से लिक्विड में जा रहा है वो, टेम्परेचर डजंट चेंज, इट स्टेज एट 0 डिग्री एंड देन बिकॉज ऑफ हीट गेटिंग सप्लाइड सिंपली स्टेज इज चेंजिंग. डन है, मेल्टिंग स्टेट है वो. डन है. सो या दिस जूल पर ग्राम, हाउ मच? 336 है, राइट? Yes, latent heat of fusion. So this much amount of energy has been supplied, and also after it has melted by gaining this much amount of energy, after that we are left with how much water? Water is your Mi plus Mw amount of water, and then this water has risen by temperature of 10 degree from 0 degree, right? So in this process, how much heat has been given? Mi plus Mw is the amount of water. So this into specific heat into temperature difference 10 degree. Specific heat value is 4.2, right? So this is 10. And this whole heat has been given by heater, which is providing energy with what rate? 420 joule per second. And this has happened in what time? This has happened in 273 seconds. So what is the total amount of energy supplied? So if you write total amount of energy supplied, that is 420 into 273. And that amount of energy supplied has gone to this thing, and to this thing. So this must be equal to this plus this. So this is equal to mi into LF, that is 336, plus mi plus mw, mi plus mw into 4.2 into 10. Okay, so this is this. Similarly, you can write for time interval t equal to 0 to t equal to 378 seconds. Similar equation आएगा only with certain variables change. So 420 into 378 is the amount of energy getting supplied in this time interval, and that will be equal to mi into 336 plus mi plus mw into 4.2 into 10. ठीक है? Now we can do something to calculate mi plus mw together. So we can do one thing, equation 2 ले लो, equation 1 ले लो, 2 को 1 से minus कर दो. ठीक है? So if you will do that, 420 into 378 minus 273. Okay, and this is equal to this will get cancelled, and this will be 42 42. This is, sorry, this is 20, right? Temperature difference was 0 से 20. Yes, sorry, so this is 20 basically, and यहाँ पे आप क्या लिख सकते हो, 20 minus 10, that is 10. 10 into 4.2, that is 42. So this is mi plus mw into 42. Done it? And this will become how much? This is 10, and 378 minus 273 अगर आप करते हो 105 आएगा, right? So mi plus mw we have got. Mi plus mw is equal to how much? 1050 gram. This is the thing. Now we are interested in mw. So एक काम करो, mi plus mw का value equation 1 में put कर दो या 2 में put कर लो. So let us put it in equation 1. So if you do that, 420 into 273 is equal to mi, done है. So mi into 336 plus mi plus mw 1050 into 4.2 into 10, that is 42. ठीक है? So एक काम करती हूँ, इसको ऐसे लिख लेते हैं. This is this, right? And this will become equal to how much? I mean, this is see carefully, in इसको इससे minus करो, 420 common ले लो, then this will become how much? 273 minus 105, and this is equal to how much? mi into 336. ठीक है? And this will be equal to how much? 273 minus 105. This is 420 into, एक काम करो, इसको minus कर लो. So this will become 8 and this will become 6. 168 is equal to mi into 336, and this will become, this will get cut by 2 times, right? Yes. So this is this 2, and then this will get cancelled like this. So mi we have got, that is 210 gram. ठीक है? So what will be mw? mw आप लिख लो 1050 minus 210. So if you subtract it, you will be getting how much? 840, right? 840 gram. So answer will be what? Answer will be 840 gram. 1050 is mi plus mw. 210 is mi. This is mi, this is mw, and this is mi plus mw, and this is nothing. Okay. So I hope you have got this question, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.